18 feet long.
Okay, so what we've got here is a header assembly for a converging pair of multi-pass doors. There's 4 3070 inch and 3/4 doors, 2 coming from one pocket and 2 converging from another pocket. So I've got an overall header length of just under 18 feet, and when the doors are in the pocket there'll be a 12-foot opening to walk through. So this is for a restaurant in Chicago, Illinois, for EJ Industries. For shipping purposes, I have a lot of pieces here that need to come back apart. First of all, I split the 7 5/8 wide, 1.5 inch thick LVL at 9 foot. I can ship UPS ground if I'm 9 foot or under. So I'm trying to get everything to be 9 foot long. So the header is split right in the center, and I have overlapped the header with my track covers so that I can build a little bit more strength back into it. All my joints are pocket hole screwed together, so it's very strong. There's absolutely no give to it at all. So I'll kind of show you the details of where everything comes back together. You basically just have to line up all the alphabet. I started with A and ended with H. I've got the center marked as X on one side and O on the other. Right here is a joint that I'll be taking apart. You can see the pocket hole screws. I'll just take those apart, put them in a bag, put it all together. Here's the other end marked D. So going to be pretty self-explanatory to put it all back together. Hopefully they won't have any problem with it. I used my 325-pound I-beam track and hardware for this one. Being a commercial project, I want to make sure it's going to last for a long time with a lot of use. So here we go. Thanks for listening.